Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a plotting, that is like converting your DWG file to a PDF file faster. So all you have to do is first write background plot, press enter. This thing of background plot will have a random value between 1 to 9. So basically all you have to do is set it to 0 and press enter. Next you have to do is control P, which is the shortcut of plot, and you have to if the plot in background is turned on, then you just have to do is turn it off and just press OK. So and just press OK after you select your page to be converted into a PDF file. So that is how easy it is to make your plotting in your AutoCAD, make it much faster. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you. So basically there are many things that you have, your many of your files will also be open. You can just check in your options menu also for background plotting. It is really easy. All you have to do is turn off both of these things. Background processing option, both have to be turned off. So when you just check all of these points, your AutoCAD plotting will be much faster. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.